There's a guy. More than one. Yeah. Yep. This guy's probably dead though.
Oh. I got him.
Okay.
He's looting him. Like he's gonna get away.
Right. The rest of his team's here. No healer yet still though. Healer's here.
That's the other mispace here.
They do have a rock caller as well. Man, why do they have such a big fucking team?
Heavy in 10.
Stunning. Oh, maybe not.
We don't have much damage.
Yeah.
Who's their healer? I can't see.
Melanie.
Yeah, Melanie. Okay.
I might be dead here. Yeah, I also got rock collared.
No.
Damn.
Got one.
Nice.
I'm looking for Melanie.
Yep, I'm on him. Malik and I.
No!
It's easy for so long there.
We need to kite. We need mana. We're out of mana. We need to kite.
Yeah. Molly's one. Or no, never mind. Field one.
I have
Used
no
all their
mana
cooldowns,
left
so-
at all.
Okay. Okay, we're good. Keep walking.
If I get... Oh yeah, I have Limp Cape. Never mind. I'm good.
Keep something too.
I'm looking at their bow. Can you hit their bow?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Damn.
Oh my god.
Just got my cape. Right.
The healer's low. I have nothing left for him. He didn't gank. He has nothing left.
Okay, I'm on him. Yep, healer down. They just went
For
off.
the Mist Pursuer? No. Hold on. Go for the... I got the Mist Pursuer.
Another group pulling up. Great. That's exactly what we needed.
No! No, they're getting away! I'm overloaded. Hold on. for this guy? Yeah.
Yeah.
I just can't move because I have a pest lizard. Okay, towards me. I can get the healer. So awkward, I can't move.
Right.
I'm charging.
Oh, I am out of mana. Stunning.
Healer can die.
Yeah. Oh,
After his thing's end, he should be dead.
stunned. Nice.
Oh, he had a boar. Healer kill. We kill him and then we leash.
Mm-hmm.
He should be dead off that. He should be dead off that, yeah. That's a healer kill. Kill him.
Oh,
Execute, execute, execute. This guy. You're fine, go
I
ahead.
got aggro.